Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send free faxes from your Android phone. So recently I had to send a fax and I rarely do that. I didn't want to have to run up to the store, so I searched for a solution. Well, I found one. And there are two things to note about this. First, it requires you to download an app. The app has good ratings, it's been installed over 100,000 times, and doesn't really require any intrusive permissions. And the second thing to note is that you earn the free faxes by watching short ads. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to the Google Play Store, and I'm going to search for the app called EasyFax. You can just search EasyFax and it'll come up. We're going to install that. As you can see, all of these permissions make sense for what this app does. And just so you know, it's only 23 megabytes long. Once we get it installed, we'll go ahead and open it up. So the first thing we're going to do is create an account. You can sign in with your Google account. I'm going to create a new one. All you need to sign up is an email address and a password. So after I signed up, this is what the app will look like. The first thing that you need to know is that it takes 10 credits to send a one-page fax. So if you're sending a two-page fax, that'll take a total of 20 credits. Now we can earn credits by just selecting the little button in the top left and then going down to get free credits. You can also buy credits. So we can just select get free credits. And as you can see, it's loading the video that I have to watch. It also shows how many available credits I have. You start with 15. So right off the bat, you can send one-page free fax. We can earn 2 credits by watching a video, and the videos are a maximum of 30 seconds long. So as you can see, this one was only about 20 seconds long. It's for an app. And once I'm completed, I'll just hit the X up at the top right, or I can hit the back button on my phone. And that'll take me back. It'll load another video, and as you can see, it's now showing that I have 17 credits. So as you can see, you can continue to watch as many videos as you need to. I had to send a 4-page fax, so I watched several videos. It didn't take too long, and I did it while I was working on my computer. Just had to watch a video every once in a while. But you can watch a video and you can earn as many credits as you need to be able to send whatever size fax you're going to send. So once you're completed watching videos, simply go back. Then on the main page of the app, we can select which type of document we're going to fax. You can select a PDF, an image that you already have on your phone, or you could take a picture. I'm going to take a picture. So I'll just select that. And as you can see, it opens up my camera. Now I'm just going to take the picture of the document I want to fax. Now you can adjust it to make sure that it only contains the document. There we go. It's cropping the image, and as you can see, that is the scan, and that's what it's going to look like when it faxes it. You can change the contrast a little bit if you wanted to have more of the text or less. So I'll hit the check mark because it's okay. So right here is showing the different pages of my fax. I can add a page right here by simply pressing the plus button, or I can add an image from my phone right there, and I can also delete it. I'm going to go ahead and send this. So once we're on this page, we select the phone number that we're going to be sending this to, and then we put in a header. The header will be displayed when they actually get the fax. You can also add a cover page as well, and if the number that you're looking for is in your contacts, you can select the button right here and that'll bring up your contacts. Alright, so once you've entered the phone number and the header, all you need to do is hit the arrow on the top right. It's going to let you know how much it costs to send the fax and then what number you're sending the fax to. So now all you need to do is select fax now. And as you can see, it shows the status of your fax, that it's sending, and then it's one page, when it was sent, and then also a thumbnail of what it looked like. Now you can continue to hit the refresh button at the top right, and you'll get an updated status of the fax. But really, it takes about 5 minutes for you to get the confirmation, and it'll take that long for it to say that it was successful. Alright, so after only a couple minutes, I checked again and it was showing success. So that means that the fax was successful. The receiving fax machine sent a confirmation back to my phone. So that's how you send free faxes from your Android cell phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.